In today's video, we are going to be fishing this farm pond on this sinking boat.
Biggin. Stay calm, baby. Stay calm, stay calm, stay calm, stay calm.
Guys, look at the size of this freaking fish. I don't know, if I had to guess, we probably need to get off the boat like ASAP.
I can literally put this fish in here like a line. You can't even see him, that's how much water is in here. Oh my gosh, that is wild. Look at that little guy. Let's get in this old sinking ship here. See how long we can last before it has too much water in it. Whoa. Already taking on water. Check it out. That's alright. We're gonna make the best of it, folks. Oh, there he is. What we got here? Got us an old greenback. Good one too. Dang good one. Let's go. Pre-spawn, baby. Look at that one. That's a solid fish to start the morning off. Solid 3-pounder. Stud, absolute stud. If I had to guess, solid 2.5, 3. Let's go. Way to start the morning off on the old sinking boat, baby. Totally worth it. Totally worth risking my life for this. Oh, right at the boat. Biggin. Biggin. Let's go, baby. Boat flips only. Oh, sitting it down, baby. That's a good fish. This one's bigger than the last one. Check that one out, guys. Oh my gosh, another freaking tank. That's 2 tanks. He hit right at the boat. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a good day. I feel it. When we got 2 3-pounders back to back. Bam! Biggin. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stay calm, Eddie. Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. You guys see the drag. You guys saw the fish. If I lose him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I feel like he's gonna snap my rod. Stay calm, Eddie. Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Oh my freaking gosh, I can't believe it. Look at the size of this fish. Look at that. Look at the mouth. Huge fish.
Guys, look at the size of this freaking fish.
I would say a solid
freaking 6-pounder maybe? Easily. Look at that. Look at the frame, the mouth. Jeez, thanks for playing. Bam!
Oh, I've got to get a chatterbait in that corner over here. I have got to do it, folks. Yep. Oh, he come off. No. There he is. Got you that time, little rascal. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, I put the blame on you. Let's try the old cranky yank. I love when your reel's dialed in just right and you just flick the wrist and it goes flying across the lake or the pond. That's the best. Nope. Crank me one. Crank me one. Spinning the boat in circles. I want to show you guys how much water is really in here, just so you guys getting a real idea. I can literally put this fish in here like a live well. Look at it. There's enough water for him to swim. Over here, bud. There you go. Look at that. If I put him in the back, he'll probably, it's like a live well in here, guys. It is like a live well. Look at this. Look at that, guys. That's how deep this, how much water I've got in here. Crazy. If I put him back here, he really would live. Look at it. You can't even see him. That's how much water's in here. Oh my gosh, that is wild. All right, mister. Just let you go. Yeah, I probably might need to get off of this thing pretty soon before I, I sink it all the way down and lose all my stuff. Well guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. And if you guys enjoy these pond videos, which I've been doing a lot of them, I know, but I've been really into them. So thank you guys for watching once again, and most importantly, don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie, and I'm out. Peace.